Today we study about international place value system. According to this chart, we take unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion from right to left. According to their places. Now we will divide this places into 4 groups. Those are known as periods. First group is known as units or 1. Second one is thousands, millions and billions. Now we will write a number in this chart according to their places. See here. 6, 5, 7, 3, 4, 8, 9, 8, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now, we write this number here 6, 5, 7, 3, 4, 8, 9, 8, 5, 6, 8, 9. We will separate these periods or groups by using comma, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. These are the values of the places. This one indicates unit. Unit means 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now, we read this number according to their places. This one is, first we will read these digits 6, 5, 7 collectively and we name its period. See here 657 billions, 348 millions, 985 thousands, 689. Like this we have to read and write a number, given number. See here, now we will write the given number in words by using letters. 657 billions. $348 millions. $985 thousands. $689. Now we will read this number. We will separate first by using commas. This is unit group. This is thousand group, million group, billion group. 286 billion, 81, 081 means 81, 81 million, 160,500. Like this you have to write. Now we write the number names in international system or we write the given number in words. Here one number is given 4508018. We will separate the group of these numbers, separate in groups 018, it is unit group. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1000 group, this is million. Now we'll write this one in words. This is million group, 4 million. This is 508,000. $508,018. 018 means 18. Now this is 28,526,831. We write in words. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. According to international place value system only, we should put periods, because here instruction is write the number names in international system. So each time we are leaving 3 places and we are writing comma. Now this is 28 million. 28 million. Next one is 526,000. $526,000. $831. Now this can be written as 536,831. Now fourth one, 280,691,869. We'll separate by periods. This is million group, 1000 group, unit group. 280,691,869 written here. This one is 200,382,052. This one 200, and this is unit, 1000, million, billion group. 252 billion, 5,015,364 written here. Now we will write the given numbers in figures or in digits by using digits. The numbers are given in words. Now we will write these numbers by using digits. See here, using this international place value chart, we will write the given numbers in digits or figures. See here, 760 million. Where is million here? 760 million. In million, 760 will write. 3 places are there. In each place, we will write unit 10, 100. This is 760. Now, 220,000. 220,000. In 1,000, 220 will write. And in unit place or in a unit group, 963. Here 963 we write. Now we write 760,220,963. Here commas, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, 760 million, 220,963. Like this we can write. Now 98 million, second one, 98 million. Where is million? Here. 98 we will write in million. Here 0. 98 million, 83,000. Here also 0. 83 in 1000. 83,200. Here 200 will write. This one is 98,083,200. This is unit group, 1000 group, million group. 98 million, 83,200. This one is 485 billion. In billion group, 485 million, 733 million, 733 million, 967. 1000 is not there. 967. Now this one can be written as here 485 billion, here 485 is written, 733 million, 733, and 1000 is not there, 967 units. Now we write this in figures. 485, 733, 000, 967. Now fourth one, 83 billion, 207 million, 758,803. This one is 83 billion. In billion, write 83, and 207 million. In million, 207. 7 million, 758,000. 758,000. 803. Here 803. Right here 83207 758 803. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion. 83 billion, 207 million, 758,803. Now this one can be written here in the place value chart. 568 billion. In billion group 568. 392 million. In million group 392. 392 million, 863,000. 863,000. And in unit group 85. 85. Here 0 can be written. The homeworks given by using International Place Value System, write these numbers in figures.